This was the first production car ever designed and built in South Africa, and it was a disguised sports car. This is the Protea, released in 1957. It originated in Johannesburg, designed by three enthusiasts who wanted a sports car that could actually handle the local terrain. Under the fiberglass body, it used Ford running gear with a full 36 horsepower, but weighing in at only 700 kilo, it was still a competitive car on the racetrack. Also partly because it was easy to modify and fix. Only about 25 were ever made before the company folded. Most were raced on the weekends and driven to work on Mondays. The 1957 Protea, a rare piece of history from an underrated South African motoring world.